Welcome to the Delhi Heart, one of the most colorful and vibrant open air markets in New Delhi. Located near INA metro station, this place brings together the rich culture, food, and handcrafts of different Indian states under one roof. If you want to experience the real essence of India, this is the perfect place to visit. As soon as you enter, you will notice beautiful pathways lined with traditional stalls. Every corner feels like a different part of India, with local artists and craftsmen displaying their handmade creations. Delhi Heart is famous for its handmade handcrafts. Here you will find wooden carvings, brass sculptures, handmade paintings, pottery, bamboo products, decorative items, and unique home decor pieces. Every item is crafted by skilled artisans from different states of India. If you are looking for ethnic fashion, this market has an amazing collection. You can explore hand-woven saris, colorful dupattas, kurtas, shawls, jackets, stoles, and traditional dresses from states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Kashmir, West Bengal, and many more. Many talented artists showcase their paintings here. You will see Madhubani art, Warli paintings, miniature art, tribal artwork, and modern handmade paintings that beautifully represent India's artistic heritage. This market is also a great place to buy unique gifts, handmade souvenirs, kitchen magnets, miniature statues, handcrafted toys, candles, notebooks, and artistic gifts. Items are available in almost every lane. You will also find a wonderful collection of traditional footwear at Delhi Heart, from beautiful handcrafted jutis and embroidered mozaris to stylish sandals, Kolhapuri chappals, and ethnic footwear. There's something for every taste. These handmade designs not only look elegant but also reflect the rich craftsmanship and cultural heritage of different regions of India. Delhi Hat is popular among both Indian and international tourists because it offers a perfect blend of shopping, culture, food, and art all in one place. The market is filled with eye catching home decor items like colorful lanterns, wallard, dream catchers, wooden masks, handmade pottery, decorative mirrors, and handcrafted furniture pieces. Besides the clothing, you can also shop for scarves, stoles, belts, wallets, keychains, handcrafted notebooks, and many other unique accessories. Whether you are looking for souvenirs, gifts, or something special for yourself, Delhi Heart offers a shopping experience that's very different from a regular mall. Here, every purchase supports local artisans and keeps India traditional crafts alive. The jewelry section is a paradise for accessory lovers. From oxidized silver jewelry and tribal necklace to handmade earrings, bangles, bracelets, rings, and beaded accessories, there's something for every style. The best time to visit Delhi Heart is during the evening when the lights come on and the entire market becomes even more vibrant and lively. The pleasant atmosphere makes it a perfect place to shop, eat, and spend time with family or friends. Where one of the best things about Delhi Heart its lively atmosphere. As you walk through the market, you will see traditional music, see colorful decoration, and experience the vibrant culture of India all around you. Most of the products sold here are handmade by local artisans. Every piece tells a story of tradition, skill, and generations of craftsmanship, making each purchase feel truly special. If you love traditional fabrics, you will find handlooms, cotton, silk, khadi, block prints, ikat, bandhani, and beautifully embroidered textiles in a wide variety of colors and designs. So, if you are visiting Delhi and want to experience India's rich culture, traditional shopping, delicious food, and vibrant atmosphere all in the one place, Delhi Heart should definitely be on your list.